In continuation of the brutal campaign, Indian troops martyred 10 Kashmiris during the last month of February in occupied Kashmir. According to the data released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, two of the victims were killed in custody. The killings rendered one woman widowed and three children orphaned. The crackdown also saw the arrest of 840 civilians, mostly political activists, youth, traders, and the students, with many detained under draconian laws like the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and Public Safety Act. All Party Hurriyat Conference spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, strongly condemning the Indian government's ruthless and materialistic policies in occupied Kashmir, said the Kashmiri people continue to face brutal repression for demanding their right to self-determination. In a statement in Srinagar, Minhas asserted that no amount of the military repression can break the freedom spirit of the Kashmiris. Meanwhile, on the 35th anniversary of the Zakura and Tangpura massacres, APHC paid tribute to the victims, noting that despite the passage of 35 years, the families still await justice. On 1st March 1990, Indian troops opened fire on the peaceful protesters in the Zakura and Tangpura areas of the Srinagar, martyring over 50 Kashmiris and injuring many others. Omar Abdullah, Chief Minister of occupied Kashmir, speaking at a debate in New Delhi, dismissed the BJP's claims of normalcy in occupied Kashmir. He asserted that even after 5 years since the abrogation of Article 370, no real improvement in the security has occurred. Any perceived stability, he said, is enforced through fear and repression rather than being organic.